Welcome to this two-bedroom townhouse for sale in Tokai, Cape Town, Western Cape, South Africa for R1,889,000. Don't miss out on this fantastic opportunity to either live or invest in this wonderful exciting new development of only 24 apartments. In the heart of Tokai with so much on offer on your doorstep, these apartments will sell fast. They are due for completion by November of 2017. The finishes are exceptional, the pricing amazing, 24-hour concierge, rooftop deck with pool, 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms and your exclusive patio for fabulous mountain views. This price is all inclusive with no transfer duty payable. Levies are $1,400. For more information on this property or to arrange a viewing, please contact us.